Have you ever stopped to consider the connection between your diet and the health of your nails? It's a fascinating facet of personal health that's easy to overlook. Our nails, much like our hair and skin, are a direct reflection of our overall health. A balanced diet is not only crucial for our well-being, but it also plays a significant role in maintaining the health of our nails. You see, our nails require a range of nutrients to stay strong and look their best. Lack of these essential nutrients can lead to brittle nails, discoloration, and slow growth. But don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we're going to explore 5 delicious recipes that are not only mouth-watering, but will also give your nails the nourishment they need. These recipes are packed with nail-friendly nutrients that will help your nails grow stronger, look shinier, and healthier. So are you ready to take a culinary journey for the sake of your nails? Stay tuned as we delve into these delicious and nail-boosting recipes. Number 1, omega-3 rich salmon. Our first recipe features a star ingredient, salmon, a fantastic source of omega-3 fatty acids. Let's dive right into preparing a simple and delicious grilled salmon dish, shall we? Before we go any further, it's worth noting why we've chosen salmon. This fish is a powerhouse of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for the health and beauty of your nails. Omega-3s aid in the production of keratin, a protein that gives your nails their strength and shine. Now let's get cooking. Start by preheating your grill to medium heat. While the grill is warming up, let's prepare the salmon. Take a beautiful fresh piece of salmon fillet and brush it lightly with olive oil. Olive oil not only helps in grilling the salmon evenly, but also adds another layer of health benefits. Next, season the salmon with a sprinkle of sea salt and cracked black pepper. Remember, simplicity is key here. We want the natural flavors of the salmon to shine through. Now it's time to grill. Place the salmon on the grill, skin side down. Cook for about 5 to 7 minutes, then flip and cook for another 3 to 4 minutes or until the salmon is cooked through and flakes easily with a fork. As the salmon grills, the heat releases and activates the omega-3 fatty acids. When you eat the salmon, these omega-3s get absorbed by your body and are used to enhance nail health, promoting strength and reducing brittleness. Finally, serve your grilled salmon with a squeeze of fresh lemon for a bit of zesty brightness. Not only does this add a wonderful flavor contrast, but the vitamin C in the lemon also aids in collagen production, another crucial component for strong, healthy nails. And there you have it, a simple, delicious grilled salmon dish, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, perfect for promoting nail health. Now you have a tasty recipe that not only satisfies your taste buds but also gives your nails a healthy boost. Number 2, green leafy vegetable salad. Next up is a colorful salad made from green leafy vegetables packed with iron and vitamin E. Picture a plate of vibrant greens, a symphony of freshness, and a powerhouse of nutrients. Let's dive into the making of this healthful delight. Begin by selecting a variety of your favorite green leafy vegetables. Think spinach, kale, and romaine lettuce. Wash them thoroughly and pat dry. Tear the leaves into bite-sized pieces and toss them into a salad bowl. Now it's dressing time. Olive oil, lemon juice, a touch of honey, salt and pepper whisked together can create a simple yet flavorful dressing. Drizzle this over your leafy ensemble and give it a good mix. But what's a salad without some add-ons? Sprinkle some pumpkin seeds for a crunch and sliced avocados for a creamy contrast. And there you have it, a salad bursting with flavor and nutrients. But why green leafy vegetables, you ask? Well, they are exceptionally rich in iron. Iron is crucial for the production of red blood cells, which supply oxygen to all parts of the body, including your nails. This promotes healthy and strong nail growth. And let's not forget about vitamin E. This antioxidant helps to repair damaged cells and enhance moisture retention in the nails, preventing them from getting dry and brittle. It's like a spa treatment for your nails right at your dining table. So, the next time you're thinking about what to eat, remember this salad. It's not just a feast for your taste buds, but also a treat for your nails. Enjoy this refreshing salad and give your nails the nutrients they need. Number 3, protein-packed chicken stir-fry. For our third recipe, we have a protein-packed chicken stir-fry, a meal that's as delicious as it is nutritious, and it's a cinch to make. This stir-fry is all about the chicken, a fantastic source of protein. Protein is the building block of your body, including your nails. Nails are made of a protein called keratin, and a diet rich in high-quality protein can help ensure they stay strong and healthy. Now let's get cooking. Start by slicing up some fresh chicken breast into bite-sized pieces, then marinate the chicken in a mixture of soy sauce, sesame oil, and a little bit of honey for that perfect balance of savory and sweet. While the chicken is soaking up all those flavors, chop up your favorite stir-fry veggies. Think bell peppers, broccoli, snap peas, and carrots. Variety is the spice of life after all. When you're ready to cook, heat a little oil in a large frying pan or wok over medium-high heat. Add the chicken and cook until it's golden brown and cooked through. Remove the chicken from the pan and set it aside, then add your veggies to the pan. Stir-fry them until they're tender crisp, then add the chicken back into the pan. Now for the final touch, a simple stir-fry sauce. Mix together some soy sauce, cornstarch, water, and a little bit of sugar. Pour this sauce over your stir-fry and stir everything together until it's well coated and the sauce has thickened. And voila! Your protein-packed chicken stir-fry is ready to enjoy. This dish is not only a party for your taste buds but also a feast for your nails. Remember, protein is crucial for strong, resilient nails. So next time your nails feel a little weak, why not whip up this easy and delicious stir-fry? This delicious stir-fry will not only keep you full, but will also keep your nails strong and healthy. Number 4, antioxidant-rich berry smoothie. Our fourth recipe is a sweet and nutritious berry smoothie loaded with antioxidants. This delightful concoction is an absolute treat, not just for your taste buds, but also for your nails. Imagine a refreshing medley of blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries all in a single glass. But this is more than just a delightful drink. These berries are packed with powerful antioxidants such as vitamins A, C, and E, which play a significant role in promoting healthy nails. Antioxidants battle against free radicals, those pesky molecules that cause damage to our cells, including nail cells. By neutralizing these free radicals, antioxidants help maintain the health and integrity of your nails, preventing them from becoming brittle and weak. So, how do we whip up this antioxidant-rich smoothie? It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. All you need are a handful of mixed berries, fresh or frozen your choice, a cup of Greek yogurt for an extra protein boost, a dash of honey for sweetness, and some ice cubes. Blend it all together until smooth, and voila! You've got yourself a delicious, nail-nourishing smoothie in just minutes, but that's not all. The Greek yogurt in this smoothie also contributes to nail health. It's a great source of protein, a key building block for strong nails. Plus it contains probiotics that aid in digestion and absorption of nutrients, ensuring that your nails get all the good stuff they need. Remember, beauty is not just skin deep, it's also about what you put into your body. This berry smoothie is a tasty way to give your nails a healthy glow, so go ahead, give it a whirl. Your nails will thank you for it. Number 5, zinc-infused pumpkin seed snack. Our final recipe is a quick snack, zinc-infused pumpkin seeds. Let's get started, shall we? First, you'll need to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. While the oven is heating up, take a handful of pumpkin seeds and give them a good rinse under cold water. Make sure to remove any remaining pumpkin pulp. Once that's done, pat the seeds dry with a clean towel. Now here's where the magic happens. Toss the seeds in a bowl with a drizzle of olive oil, a touch of sea salt, and of course, our star ingredient, zinc. You can find zinc in powder form at most health food stores. A little goes a long way, so just a pinch should be enough for this recipe. Mix everything together until the seeds are well coated. Spread the seeds out on a baking sheet, making sure they're in a single layer. Pop the tray into the oven and roast for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until the seeds are golden brown. Be sure to stir them occasionally to ensure even roasting. Now let's talk about why zinc is such a powerhouse for nail health. Zinc is an essential mineral for a number of bodily functions, one of which is cell growth. Your nails are made up of a type of cell called keratinocytes, which rely heavily on zinc to grow and multiply. Without enough zinc, your nails can become weak and brittle. But with a zinc-rich diet, you can nourish your nails from the inside out, resulting in stronger, healthier, and shinier nails. Finally, once the seeds are perfectly roasted, allow them to cool before snacking. You can store any leftovers in an airtight container for up to a week. They make a great on-the-go snack or a crunchy addition to salads and soups. This easy snack is a fantastic way to keep your nails strong and shiny. So go ahead, give these zinc-infused pumpkin seeds a try and enjoy the benefits of beautiful nails. Let's take a moment to recap everything we've covered today. We kicked off our discussion highlighting the importance of nail health and how our diet plays a pivotal role in maintaining it. It's not just about keeping them looking pretty, but also about ensuring they're strong and healthy. We then dived into the world of omega-3 rich salmon, a dish that's as tasty as it is beneficial for your nails. The omega-3 fatty acids present in salmon help to nourish the nail bed and keep your nails hydrated, preventing brittleness and breakage. Next, we explored the goodness of a green leafy vegetable salad. These veggies are packed with vitamins A and C, which are essential for nail health. They help in the production of collagen, a protein that strengthens your nails. Then came the protein-packed chicken stir-fry, a delicious way to boost your protein intake. Remember, protein is the building block of your nails, and a deficiency can lead to weak and brittle nails. Our antioxidant-rich berry smoothie was next on the list. Berries are high in antioxidants and vitamins, which protect your nails from damage and promote their growth. Plus, they make for a refreshing and healthy drink. Lastly, we discussed the zinc-infused pumpkin seed snack. Zinc is important for a number of bodily functions, including nail growth, and pumpkin seeds are a great way to get your dose of zinc. Remember, your diet plays a key role in your nail health, so try to incorporate these recipes into your routine for strong, gorgeous nails. For more amazing food and drinks tips and recipes, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Tell us about your thoughts in the comment section. Check out our other videos for more culinary inspiration. We love you. Until next time, keep cooking, stay adventurous.